Hey guys, Grand Rising, good morning. Whatever's your flavor, I look a hot mess, but we're not gonna focus on that because we're gonna get that together eventually. So I guess I'm attempting Vlogmas, Vlogtober. Okay, so I feel like, so I've been trying to do Vlogmas for a little while now, and I haven't even made it past a week. And so, put y'all on right here. And so I'm thinking maybe a Vlogtober might be a good warm up, you know, like, because I don't know, but I'm gonna give that a try. But anyways, right now I'm making I guess toddler patties. I have tuna in here, 1 egg, some flour, and some peas. So I'm gonna make little toddler bites or toddler patties or whatever you want to call them, so he can have them for like lunch and stuff. So I'm gonna make this whole thing. I'm gonna freeze some because he'll probably eat 6 to 8 of these this week. So I'm gonna make like double the amount. I may need more flour, but I might be all right. So you can make these with like anything really. A protein of your choice, veggies of your choice. My toddler, he doesn't like broccoli, so this is like the best way for me to get him to eat some broccoli. Ooh. But he really loves peas, so he don't really love these. So today I have work at 12. I guess I'll take you guys with me. So I have a new client today. She's getting retied. I don't know if she's getting a style. I don't recall. But yeah, she'll be there today, and I'm doing her at 12. I have her booked for a 6-week rotation. I'm hoping I don't take the full time, because I do have to do some editing. Oh my goodness, I have to make my vision board for tomorrow. I have to start back posting on my personal Instagram page. I just put like just the 4 ingredients: a protein, a vegetable, 1 egg, and some flour. That's it. That's all. The flour and the egg just kind of holds it all together.
And what to do in that situation. So I want to take a few minutes to talk about that a little bit. I have had a couple of clients who do have that going on in their lives. At some points, they may be, a little bit more forgiving. If you don't want to be having that happen for too long, again, a little bit touchy, but I did come across this a couple of times, and we did get, and one is labeled the size, and then another is labeled the other size. And those are the things that should be in your closet. Everything in there should be your favorite, should spark joy. Hangers. Uniformity is
So I've been scared to do my lashes for the past month or so because I don't know like when I'm gonna cry. And I didn't want to just waste the lashes, but you know what? I'm like, I'm just gonna go through as many lashes as I need to um, during this time. So if I cry, I cry. If I cry them off, I cry them off. And if I gotta put them back, I put them back. So what's the best lash glue for tears? Like, if somebody going through grieving or whatever, what's the best lash glue? Because right now I'm experimenting. I'm trying out different ones. And they say waterproof or whatever, but after so much crying, you lose a lash here and there and you start looking crazy. So y'all tell me what's the best lash glue out there for tears. The surprising thing about this last lash application is that it took me less than 20 minutes to do both eyes, and I'm like, this is crazy. I don't think it's ever taken me so fast to get my lashes done. Like this side, this is me doing it in real time. It took me about 6 minutes to do, and I use 7 cluster lashes, 316, 314, and 112.
Year, CapCut is still trending. So if you are really good at like edits on CapCut, you can teach people how to edit on CapCut, how to make thumbnails on CapCut, how to make thumbnails in general with Canva. So you can do videos like that. Also, if you are good at saving money, you can do a how to save money video.
That's tough. Well, we came on the air, Joe, talking about this Detroit defense and how through 3 games Davis is a big physical corner. This is a little different style, this man coverage that he's having to play more of here in Detroit than what he did.
And that wraps up the first day of Vlogtober. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all that. Bye.